Okay, it is our green screen which we want to show our content behind of that. We want to see Earth is our home. Let's keep it in safe in our APK. Now let's launch our APK and test it. Perfect, it worked well. As you can see, we can remove our green screen with the shader of Chromakey, and we can see the content behind of the 3D model in the VR mode, and it works well. In the next test, we want to use a character front of the green screen, and we will see what will happen. As you can see, it works well. A character is front of the green screen, but we can see it is the front of the 3D model in the VR world. Now we can use it as a simulator training or other solutions for games and simulators. And also we can put some objects in front of the green screen, and we will see them behind or front of the 3D model in the VR world.